I love creating. I love being in my own world, 'cause I mute all the noise. I mute the rage bait. My mental shields are up, 'cause I know I'm protected, 'cause I have my spiritual barrier, 'cause I know I'm protected from the demons, 'cause these demons have no authority over me, 'cause you suck, demons. Demons can't do their job. I know I'm winning and winning and winning some more, 'cause demons can't win. They never have and they never will. They will fail miserably. They will all fail miserably, 'cause I mute all the noise and I put it all on mute. Put all the noise on mute. It's very funny watching these demons trying to corrupt you and fail at it. Very funny, 'cause I'm laughing and laughing some more, 'cause I can see the manipulation and all the emotional response and bait. Nice try, but no dice. You fail, demons. These demons, they fail at everything. I know my life will continue to get better, while others, their lives will continuously to get worse and worse. Why? 'Cause I have the truth, which they don't want you to know. But I know it burns them. I know it burns these demons. I know the truth burns these demons. And I know how they hate to hear the truth. You can stop all of the noise. Just put it on mute.